Welcome back to Gearstorm, where performance meets precision. Today, we're diving into the beast that is the 2026 BMW M3 GT-R, a name that carries serious motorsport DNA and bold engineering. Let's kick things off with the front, unmistakably aggressive. The redesigned kidney grills have been refined to be more aerodynamic, with active shutters that optimize airflow. Flanking them are sleek laser headlights, with adaptive cornering tech, sharp DRLs slicing through the housing like a scalpel. The carbon fiber front splitter hugs the road, not just for show, but to deliver real downforce at high speeds. Moving to the side profile, this car isn't just sculpted. It's engineered. Massive 20-inch forged wheels sit under flared fenders, hiding carbon ceramic brakes that could stop time itself. Functional air vents behind the front wheels reduce turbulence and enhance cooling. The carbon roof not only cuts weight, but lowers the center of gravity for a planted, confident feel in the corners. Step inside, and it's a cockpit designed for both comfort and control. The cabin is dominated by BMW's curved dual display, one for the digital gauge cluster, the other for infotainment, running the latest iDrive 9. Every detail screams performance. Alcantara-wrapped M Sport seats with GTR badging, real, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting that adapts to your drive mode. And yes, you still get luxury touches like a Harman Kardon sound system, wireless charging, and a heads-up display. At the rear, BMW flexes its motorsport heritage. The quad exhaust system now features titanium tips with adjustable valves, meaning it growls in the city and roars on the track. The massive diffuser and active rear wing aren't just for drama. They're wind tunnel tested to keep this machine glued to the asphalt at high speeds. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood is a revised 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-6, now producing 560 horsepower and 550 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission and xDrive all-wheel drive, the M3 GTR launches from 0 to 60 in just 3.0 seconds flat. Rear-biased torque distribution keeps it thrilling in the corners, while a newly tuned adaptive suspension system reads the road 1,000 times a second. As for price, the 2026 BMW M3 GTR starts at around $98,000, but loaded up with options, like the track pack and carbon ceramic brakes, and you're looking north of $115,000. But for those who crave a street-legal race car with everyday usability, this machine justifies every dollar. That's it for this review on Gearstorm. Hit that like button, subscribe for more high-octane content, and let us know. Would you take the M3 GTR over its rivals? See you in the next ride.